There are post formats, like for example Instagram stories, that Fanpage Karma can't post automatically. You can plan them in the content calendar, however, and receive a notification via email when the date of publication has arrived. You can then publish your story manually on the network. To set this workaround up, go to the settings, under Profiles, and click plus Profile, choose Other in the dropdown, give a name to the profile, and add your email address for the notification. The new profile now appears here, where you can edit it if necessary. Now we have to add this profile to a profile group. Go to Publish Profile Groups. I want to add it to this profile group, so click plus Profiles and select my profile. Now everything's set up and I can plan my post. So go to Publish and click plus New Post. Select the story profile. Add an image for the story. To receive a publishing notification, you have to set a date for publication, up here. For example, next Wednesday, 10 o'clock. Now I have to approve the story. And next Wednesday at 10 a.m. I'll receive an email including a link to the post draft telling me to manually publish my story. As soon as I publish the story, I can mark the draft as published, and it'll appear in my content calendar as published.